Here is the question. Question is about vector space. In this, we have to find two spaces. One is null space of A. Suppose null space of A is represented by x1, x2, x3. So A and this matrix x1, x2, x3 should be 0. This gives us A is 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 5, 2, and x1, x2, x3 equals to 0. From this we get two equations. One is x1 plus 2x2 and equals to 0, and the second is minus x1 plus 5x2 plus 2x3 equals to 0. From these two equations we have x1 equals to minus 2x2 from this equation, and putting x1 in this equation we have x3 equals to minus 7x2 by 2. Now we can put the value of x1 and x3 in this. Putting the value we get x1 you see here minus 2x2, here x2 same as, and x3 is minus 7x by 2, minus 7x x2 by 2. From this we can take out x2 by 2, so this will be minus 4, this will be 2, and this will be minus 7. So null space of A is one dimensional because you get one matrix, so this has one dimension 1. So we have to find NA intersection RB. Null space of A, dimension of null space of A, and range space of B. Since we have got 1 for NA, so the answer will be 1 or 0. Let us see. Minus 4, 2, minus 7, we got this. And now suppose range is, suppose B, you see B is given as B equals to 1, minus 1, 3, 2, 0, 1. To get the range space we expand the columns. Here is a real number plus B and another column 2, 0, 1. Now after equality sign we put this basis of null space minus 4, 2, 7, minus 4, 2, 7. Now we have three equations. One is A plus 2B equals to 4. Second is minus A equals to 2. And the third is 3A plus B, 3A plus B equals to 7. Now we solve any two and put in the third. Suppose we solve these two, first two, then this gives us A equals to minus 2. Putting A equals to minus 2 in it, we have B equals to, here will be minus. Putting A equals to minus 2, we get B equals to minus 1. So we solve these two, first two, and put this value -1 and -2 in this. Here will be -7, -7. We put, then you see that if you put -2 here, this will be -6, and -1, then total -1, which satisfies the third equation. Values, these two values satisfies the third equation. So this basis works for range space as well. So the dimension of dimension of NA intersection NRB will be 1. So the answer is 1.